Hello guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good and I hope all you are doing a very creative and innovative and so many different things each and every day. So just do whatever makes you happy and whatever you think that's gonna taking your life to next level. Just do it. Just do it yourself because you just do you only yourself, otherwise no one won't. Okay, this is the take a notebook, right, and write it this rule: you are the only one you can help yourself. This is true. You are the only man who can find yourself, otherwise a teacher only can show you a path, okay, but you have to walk. And here I'm you can see that I'm making this content creation in English. Why? Just because I want that my audience subconsciously attached to this language. Okay, i I won't tell you that I will speak some word in Hindi, then I can translate in English, then you can listen, then you can hear, then you can write. It takes your whole life, but you won't able to be speak English. I'm telling you, English is like Hindi. Just you have to subconscious and habitually attach to this language. Okay, this is how you gonna fluent. Otherwise, I'm telling you, it won't help you. So always just as I tell my each and every video, just give 15 and 20 minutes each day to my video and just take yourself at least 5-10 minutes to yourself. Then you can speak a proper English speaker. You want to become a fluent English speaker, this is how you can become a fluent speaker. It's so easy, it's so simple, and it's not take a too much time. Okay, yesterday if you have seen my video, you can see that we have talked about Shahid Kapoor's movie Romeo. Now we're going to discuss and talk about Border to Border and Dhurandhar. Look, these are the Dhurandhar already came and he's gonna that movie gonna hit. And if you I have not seen. I'm saying I've not seen this movie, but the review I seen in the comment box and the content creator who are making this kind of video, they review the movie. Okay, I'm not a KRK fan. Okay, so don't worry. I'm no, but Ranveer Singh is my one of the favorite hero, and we can all see that he's a he's a he's the best youngster example, I think, in a 2026. I mean, he's a really a very good guy and a very good actor. And also I love his performance. After I seen Band Baja Barat when I was, I think, 15 or 16 years old, so I have seen Band Baja Barat. So I love that time also Ranveer Singh, the newcomer, new face coming. Okay, so yes, and also the Border 2 and Border. Look, if you have seen the Border, then you can really see that this movie is belong to 1971 Civil War, 1971 Kargil War. Okay, and it's shown that how our heroes are, how our Indian soldiers save our soil and save us also. I mean, these are the legendary history date of, I mean, 1971. 1965 India-China War, 1998 Kargil War. I mean, these are the national movie, so everybody can relate them and everybody want to love it. And of course, if we just talk about Sunny Deol, so it's it's we our feelings gonna take next level. Okay, so yes, we can relate that Border and Border 2. Look, we can relate Border and Border 2 and also if you just seen that Puni Samrat and Puni Samrat, and I mean what kind of movie? I mean it's not a movie. I mean it's a date that we can pride our national flag, we can pride our national Indian Army, and we can pride our Indian soldier. I mean our brigadier, colonel, the major, whatever we call them. I mean army. I think I'm telling you guys, army is the, I think, symbol of a man. I'm telling you. I'm from Chunjunu, and I have heard a lot of rumors about the army that there. I look honestly. I'm telling. I never took any exam of army, navy, any kind of exam. I always stay away from them, and also I never prepare for that exam. But yes, I'm saying I really respect to every Indian soldier who save us and who protect us like a protector. So I really admired, and also I'm a huge fan of Vidut Jamwal, who, which if you see, is a C Commando and Commando 2. Commando 2, this movie was not good enough to see, and also, but Commando, yes, I have seen that movie. So yes, I can see that Vidut Jamwal is also personality who, I mean, how can you I mean how you seen, how many you seen a man who are commando? Okay, I've seen, I think I have seen only one, Vidut Jamwal, in a commando movie. So I'm a huge fan of him also. But truly guys, I really respect for every Indian soldier and every man. I mean their walking style, their salute style, a pride and a honor, and also their, I mean their love, their affection. I mean it's all is always gonna attract to. I mean you won't believe, once I visited to Jammu Kashmir, and you won't believe, I met a army soldier and he traveled with me. I mean we took a car, we took we are in a train, and we reached to the Delhi. We together we reached to Delhi. You won't believe that man live in a in a forest area. You won't believe that the story I heard from them. He lived in a forest area in 3 months, and he was telling me that this is his duty. I mean this is his duty, and every in a 75-80,000 his salary. He belong from Haryana. So and but he told me a very good story that he lived there to too much time, and what kind of circumstances they are living. I mean you really admire. I mean what kind of, I mean in borderline, where you can, and where you can see that Amarnath temple and all the Vaishno Devis. I mean what kind of architecture. I mean I'm really telling you, once you in your life at least should visit to Jammu Kashmir. It will give you tremendous experience, and it's give you 1,000 of goosebumps, because what kind of palace and what kind of experience only you can you will, if you go there, then you can relate also. So I visited to that army person, and his duty was near to border. Okay, where and where you can see that easily that I mean you won't realize that this is, I mean there are so many problems in Jammu Kashmir in the last 17 years, and you can easily see that after 370, I mean after 1947, you can easily see that the Pakistani says that Jammu Kashmir is ours, and Indian says Jammu Kashmir always, and it's a battle from after 1947. So we are just a normal citizen of look. We are not an Indian soldier, and not we are in that kind of position, so we can judge them, and it's not our right to judge them. Okay, so but we can't say anything, but it's we know one thing that Jammu Kashmir is a part of ourselves, and I mean Jammu Kashmir is really part of ourselves. Jammu Kashmir, Srinagar is part of its all ourselves, and so but their people and their hospitality, which I loved too much, and they offered me Kaaba and so many things. Look, once again I will go to there somewhere in my life, and I will live there 1 or 2 months. Okay, so yes, what's a beautiful experience, and of course the border and border 2 all movie also was where shoot them. Okay, so yes, so thank you very much. So please, again I'm telling you, if you are just liking my content, please like, share and subscribe my channel, so it will boost me, it will keep me, motivate me, and I will make a more content for you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.